In today's video, I'll show you how to add the Binance widget to your mobile phone in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the Binance app installed and updated to the latest version. Once that's done, go to your home screen and long press on any empty space. This will open the widgets menu. Now, scroll down until you find Binance in the list of available widgets. Tap on it and you'll see different widget styles, like price trackers or portfolio summaries. Choose your preferred one and drag it onto your home screen. Next, you can customize the widget by selecting the crypto pairs or market data you want to display. Once done, just tap Save or Done, and that's it. Your Binance widget is now active and will update automatically with live prices. Super handy for tracking your favorite coins right from your home screen. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides.